Escalated awfully fast. First of all, you want to take that duct tape off this man's mouth? Are you insane?
眼看空警不为所动，黑姐当即撕开男人嘴巴交代，并质问空警为何乘客不能下机。空警说他也是奉命行事，并且航空公司的老板再三交代，在查清是否为恐怖袭击之前，飞机上所有乘客都不能下去。黑姐感觉很是搞笑，你他喵可是洛杉矶空警，竟会听命于什么航空公司的老板？我不管对方给了你什么好处，但我确定现在乘客下去都很安全。
I don't give a damn what the CEO says.
空警顿时感觉颜面无存，竟还试图阻止黑姐给男人松绑。
No, you didn't just grab my shoulder.
Don't make me.
Don't make you do what? You place your hand on my shoulder again, we're gonna have a big problem. Now, you said that this customer was causing a disturbance. Well then, I'm putting him under arrest for disorderly conduct. I'm arresting everyone on this plane. They're in my custody now. You are all under arrest.